On this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert pretty much any document that is a PDF or a PowerPoint or pretty much anything into a translated file for a multilingual or EL student. To do this, we're going to use Canva. Canva is not the fastest one, but it is by far the most versatile in terms of fixing maybe formatting issues or anything like that. So we're like translate.google.com you can't fix format afterwards. Canva allows you to. So to do this, we're going to use Canva, not Canvas. To access this, you're actually going to go through My Apps. And then what you're going to do is within My Apps, we do have a link to Canva, or you can just go canva.com. From in there, what you're going to do is you're going to click. And so I'm just on my home screen, or you can click projects, but I'm going to click, if I'm under projects, I'm going to click add new. And I'm going to upload a new file. So first, just to show you that you can use pretty much any file, I'm going to go into an example Google Slides. I'm going to download this as, I'm going to keep it as a PowerPoint because I think it gives you a little bit more editing afterwards. If you have a PDF, that works too. So I downloaded that file as a PowerPoint. So now what I can do is back within Canva, I'm going to click add new. I'm going to click upload. I'm going to select that set of notes. It's going to import it. And then there's a few different ways. If you just scroll down, usually you can see your recents there, or if you just click projects, you can find it as well. So now I'm going to actually open up that file. And you can see that Canva will have the title slide here, and then it's going to have all the other slides along the bottom. So now what I'm going to do to translate it to another language is in the top left, I'm going to click resize and magic switch. Translate, select the language that I want to translate to. So I've been using Portuguese as my examples. And then I can select, do I want all slides or just certain ones? And then I'm going to, personally, I don't need the original copy within Canva. I'm just going to translate this exact document, and then I'll click translate. So the nice thing with Canva, again, is that it is completely editable. So now what I can do is, you can see I can take this text, I can change the text box of it. But you can see it actually does a really nice job with the format. Almost everything is where it needs to be. But if I needed to make something larger, I can. I can look and click through each slide and make fixes as I need to. But it does do a really good job of making it editable. So I could go through and, I can change this out if I need to. I can highlight it. I can change the text size. I can bold it. So I can still fully edit all of this if there is stuff that needs to be fixed. This Google Slides actually turned out super well. I've had some that have taken me longer. Like, we do full chapter slides now, and I had one that was almost 100 slides. I think it took me 15 minutes or so to clean up, but now that student has that for for the entire chapter, right? And then if I just save this, now I have a Portuguese one forever as well. And so it's a great extra resource for our students. So now to get this file out of Canva, all you have to do is click File, scroll down, and you can actually download the file. I don't know why it says PNG as the default. It's like a picture format. I would actually switch either do a PDF standard or do it as a PowerPoint. You can flatten it, which means that it's basically going to mush all the images and stuff together. Include notes if you want to, whatever. Download all of the pages, or if you only translate certain ones, you might just do that. But then it's going to download it as a PDF for you, and then, give it to the student or print it or whatever you need to do.